If you're over 50 and you think you need a gym membership, fancy machines, or painful workouts to change your body, stop right there. Because what I'm about to share with you today might completely flip everything you believe about fitness upside down. No gym, no equipment, no jumping, no complicated routines. Just 3 simple bodyweight moves you can do at home that quietly but powerfully rebuild strength, improve balance, wake up your metabolism, and help you feel younger in your own body again. And here's the part that really matters. These moves don't punish your joints. They work with your body, not against it. So if you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm getting weaker, or my body just doesn't respond like it used to, or I'm scared of getting injured, then stay with me, because this video was made exactly for you. Now let me ask you something honestly. When was the last time you stood up from the floor without using your hands? Or climbed stairs without feeling your knees complain? Or carried groceries without feeling tired faster than you used to? Most people don't notice how much strength they've lost after 50 until one day, it's suddenly gone. And the scary part isn't the loss of muscle. It's the loss of independence. But the good news is this, your body is still incredibly adaptable. Even after 50. Even after 60. Even after years of inactivity. You just need the right kind of movement. Most workout programs fail people over 50 because they copy what younger bodies do. Fast reps, heavy weights, high impact. That's not what builds long-lasting strength at this stage of life. What works now is controlled movement, full body activation, and exercises that train muscles to work together the way they're supposed to in real life. And the 3 moves I'm about to show you do exactly that. The first move may look almost too simple, but don't let that fool you. This one quietly strengthens your legs, hips, core, and even your posture all at the same time. It's the sit-to-stand movement. You already do this every day without thinking about it, sitting down and standing back up from a chair. But when you do it with intention, slowly and under control, it becomes one of the most powerful strength-building exercises for people over 50. Think about it. Every time you stand up, you're training the muscles that keep you independent. Your thighs, your glutes, your hips, your core. And the slower you do it, the more your muscles wake up. Here's how I want you to imagine doing it. Sit on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Chest tall. Eyes forward. Now slowly stand up without using your hands if you can. Push through your heels. Feel your legs working. At the top, stand tall for a moment, then slowly lower yourself back down. No dropping. No collapsing. Just smooth, controlled movement. That slow lowering phase is gold for muscle strength, especially after 50. It tells your muscles, hey, you're still needed. If balance is an issue, that's okay. You can lightly touch the chair or a wall at first. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Even 5 to 8 slow repetitions can be enough to send a powerful signal to your body to rebuild strength. Over time, this one move alone can make daily life feel easier. Getting out of bed, getting off the couch, getting up from the toilet. These things matter more than lifting heavy weights in a gym. Now the second move is one that many people completely underestimate, yet it's one of the best exercises for posture, core strength, and joint health after 50. It's the wall push-up. Not a floor push-up. Not a knee push-up. A wall push-up. And yes, it absolutely counts. As we age, the muscles of the chest tighten, the shoulders roll forward, and the upper back weakens. This is why posture changes, breathing becomes shallow, and shoulder pain becomes common. Wall push-ups gently reverse all of that. They strengthen your arms, shoulders, chest, and core while teaching your body to stay aligned. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at chest height. Step your feet back slightly so your body is at a gentle angle. Now slowly bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall. Keep your body in a straight line. No sagging. No rushing. Then push yourself back to the starting position. As you do this, breathe out and gently tighten your core like you're bracing for a cough. That small core engagement protects your spine and builds stability. What's beautiful about wall push-ups is that you control the intensity. Step farther from the wall to make it harder. Step closer to make it easier. And the benefits go far beyond arm strength. Better posture. Stronger shoulders. Improved balance. Even better, breathing. This move helps you stand taller and feel more confident in your body. Now let's talk about the third move. This one is a game changer for balance, joint health, and lower body strength, especially for preventing falls. It's the supported single leg stand with slow movement. Falls are one of the biggest threats to independence after 50. And balance isn't something you magically keep. You have to train it. Stand next to a chair or a wall so you have support if needed. Shift your weight onto one leg and gently lift the other foot just a few inches off the floor. You don't need to lift it high. The magic happens just by standing on one leg. Now here's the key. Don't rush. Breathe calmly. Let the muscles in your ankle, knee, hip, and core work together. Try to hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Then switch sides. If that feels easy, you can slowly move the lifted foot forward and back while balancing. If it feels hard, that's okay. That means it's working. This move strengthens deep stabilizing muscles that machines and traditional workouts often miss. Over time, it improves coordination, reaction time, and confidence in your movement. And confidence is everything as we age. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They think these moves need to be done for an hour to matter. They don't. Consistency beats intensity every time. Doing these 3 moves for 10 to 15 minutes a day can completely change how your body feels within weeks. Stronger legs, better balance, less stiffness, more energy. And the best part is you're not exhausting yourself or risking injury. Your body after 50 responds best to respect, not punishment. When you move with control and intention, your muscles listen. Your joints feel safer. Your nervous system relaxes. And that's when real transformation happens. Let me tell you something important. Aging doesn't steal your strength. Inactivity does. Fear does. Misinformation does. Your body is still capable of adapting, growing stronger, and supporting you. But only if you give it the right signals. These 3 moves send exactly those signals. And here's something most fitness influencers won't tell you. You don't need to sweat like crazy to make progress. You don't need to feel sore the next day. You need to feel capable. You need to feel stable. You need to feel confident moving through your day. That's real fitness after 50. Imagine waking up and feeling steady on your feet. Imagine standing taller without thinking about it. Imagine trusting your body again instead of being afraid of it. That's what this approach is about. Not chasing six-packs. Not punishing your body. But building strength that actually improves your life. Now if you've been watching this and thinking, this sounds doable, that's because it is. And if you've been thinking, why hasn't anyone told me this before? You're not alone. Too many people over 50 are told to slow down, be careful, or accept decline. I don't believe that. I believe in smart movement. I believe in building strength safely. And I believe you deserve to feel strong at any age. So here's what I want you to do next. Start today. Pick a chair. Find a wall. Take 10 minutes. Do these 3 moves slowly and with focus. No rushing. No comparing yourself to anyone else. Just you and your body. And then do it again tomorrow. And the next day. That's how change happens. If this video helped you see fitness differently after 50, make sure you hit the like button because it helps this message reach more people who need it. Subscribe to the channel if you want simple, safe, and effective workouts designed specifically for your age and your body. And comment below and tell me your age and which move you're starting with today. I read every comment, and I'd love to encourage you personally. Remember, no gym, no equipment, just smart movement, consistency, and respect for your body. You're not too old. You're just getting started.